Claim: Did Kamala Harris sport earpiece in her earrings during 10 September presidential debate with Trump? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. The US presidential debate held on 10 September 2024 between Democrat Kamala Harris and Republican Donald Trump hit headlines across the globe. However, one claim that is being shared on social media has become intriguing. The narrative was that a wireless earphone was embedded in Kamala Harris' earring. As per the debate rules, candidates were not allowed props, pre-written notes, or interaction with their campaign staff during commercial breaks during the debate hosted by ABC News. One claim said, "I told you she had an earpiece." Another shared an article about smart earrings, hinting that she used the company's earpiece.
Got to get a deal done. We were in Doha. We have to get a deal done. This war must end.
It has been widely shared and can be accessed here and here. Fact check. Truth: misleading. The earrings Harris wore for 10 September debate were from her stock of old jewelry and not Nova H1 earpieces as claimed. Also, Icebatch Sound Solutions clarified that those earrings are not their Nova H1 audio earrings. Fact check details. When Digit I India received a request on its WhatsApp, we checked for earrings of Kamala Harris. Further search on X revealed that the earrings were rolled and worn by Kamala Harris several times in the past. Since the claim that the earpiece is Nova H1 sold by Munich-based Icebatch Sound Solutions, we searched for the details of the earrings and found that the wireless earphones are embedded in a pair of pearl earrings. But the company, Icebatch Sound Solutions, in a press release on 13 September, said that based on analysis of photos from the debate, we have come to the conclusion that these are not our H1 audio earrings. One user on X even shared a photo of Tiffany earrings identical to Harris, which retail for over $3,300 but are no longer available on Tiffany's website. We also found that Harris had been seen wearing the earrings even before the debate. Reuters photos from an April event at the White House, a May campaign event in Philadelphia, and at a concert in June 2024. Even after the debate, she was seen wearing them when she attended a ceremony marking the 23rd anniversary of 9/11 attacks. Hence, the claim is false. Claim: Democratic nominee Kamala Harris was wearing Nova H1 wireless earpiece during 10 September presidential debate. Conclusion: misleading. The earrings Harris wore for 10 September debate were from her stock of old jewelry and not Nova H1 earpieces as claimed. Also, Icebatch Sound Solutions clarified that those earrings are not their Nova H1 audio earrings. Rating: misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit I India.